Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Firstrade. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Firstrade is an award-winning online brokerage that was founded in 1985. This broker offers several types of accounts and powerful proprietary trading software for self-directed trading. As a client, you can choose from thousands of mutual funds and a variety of stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and options. You will also have access to premium research tools, in-depth market analytics, regular news updates, and 24-hour customer support. Some of the perks of trading with this broker are commission-free trades, trading bonuses, beginner-friendly platforms, and competitive trading conditions. Firstrade offers a wide range of stocks that are listed on the NYSE, the AMEX, and NASDAQ. You can also trade stocks on over-the-counter markets, such as the OTC Bulletin Board or Pink Sheets. There are more than 38 tradable cryptocurrencies, over 11,000 mutual funds, and dozens of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. And cryptocurrencies can be traded 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Firstrade, head over to the pricing page. Firstrade offers competitive margin rates and a variety of intuitive risk management tools. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Firstrade customer support team via email, telephone, or social media channels. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available in English, Mandarin, and Cantonese, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting their Help Center and FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you require assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. With Firstrade, you can earn up to $4,000 when you open and fund your live account for the first time. You can earn cashback rewards by depositing at least $5,000. However, the more you deposit, the bigger your bonus. Firstrade provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You can easily find all the information you need by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the homepage. On the homepage, you will see highlights of the instruments and accounts offered, and all the benefits of trading with this broker. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Research and Tools tab. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We always recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit if you do decide to join any broker. Firstrade offers competitive conditions for trading stocks, options, ETFs, and mutual funds. The accounts are designed for all styles of trading, and Firstrade offers retirement accounts, ESA education planning accounts, custodial accounts, international accounts, and cash management accounts. This broker provides 24-hour customer support, premium educational content, and plenty of resources for analysis and research. Options Wizard is Firstrade's proprietary trading platform that has been designed specifically for trading options and using complex strategies. It is a professional-grade options trading platform that comes with more than 65 built-in technical indicators, over 40 advanced options strategies templates, profit and loss simulations, and so much more. This platform makes it easy to monitor support and resistance levels and allows you to compare up to 3 strategies at the same time to see which one will work best for you. You can also use the Firstrade Navigator to manage all your trades from one screen and track market data in real time. This dashboard comes with customizable widgets that you can drag and drop to design your workspace exactly the way you like it, and it has advanced technical charting capabilities. The Firstrade Navigator has a fully adjustable layout, and you can switch between different layouts, ensuring that your workspace does only what you need it to. Additionally, Firstrade's real-time quote streaming tool allows you to create 10 different watch lists at a time and view up to 50 symbols per watch list. You can stream indices from Dow, Nasdaq, and the S&P 500, and synchronize your watch lists across all of your devices. This tool is compatible with all browsers, and no plugins are required. Firstrade offers a variety of free professional tools such as Advanced Screener, customizable stock price alerts, multiple streaming watch lists, and more to assist you in building your investment portfolio with confidence. To learn more about the features of Options Wizard and the Firstrade Navigator, click on the Research and Tools tab and choose an option from the drop-down menu. There are multiple types of accounts that you can open with Firstrade. However, in this review, we will focus primarily on the international account, which is used for trading online. This account will give you full access to thousands of tradable instruments and all the platforms, tools, and research material this broker offers. Your account also has SIPC protection, which means that you have an extra layer of investment protection. To learn more about the products and services Firstrade offers and the accounts you can open with this broker, hover your cursor over the Home tab and head over to the Products and Services page. Creating an account with Firstrade will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free and easy. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Firstrade homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. What you'll want to do next is complete their online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And then you can log in to their client portal. It seems that Firstrade does not offer a demo account at this time, and real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with Firstrade, but when you are ready to make a deposit, you can fund your account using US dollars. Before you can make a deposit, the electronic funds transfer agreement must be completed and submitted to Firstrade's customer support team. At the time of reviewing this broker, only bank transfers can be used to fund accounts, and no other online payment channels are accepted. You can make a withdrawal using the same channels you use to make a deposit, but you will first need to link your bank account to your Firstrade profile. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. If you are new to options trading or you would like to learn some new techniques, Firstrade provides dozens of in-depth articles and how-to guides to help you get started, making this broker an excellent choice for trading options. There are guides for all the instruments offered, and you can use these guides to help you figure out which instruments to add to your portfolio and how to buy or sell them. You will have access to stock reports, updated Morningstar market news, real-time price quotes, and a great selection of trading guides to help you improve your skills. You can use the trading glossary provided when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. Not only is Firstrade a low-risk broker for beginners, but this broker also provides professional-level trading tools, and has been voted one of the best brokers for active traders and trading ETFs. Firstrade provides high-quality news and research, along with an incredible selection of educational resources for all levels of experience. Firstrade has been around for many years and offers some of the best trading conditions for ETFs and options. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with this broker, and you can easily open an account in a few simple steps. Whether you are saving for your retirement or building an investment portfolio, Firstrade offers multiple types of accounts and 24-hour customer support. Firstrade guarantees investor protection and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Firstrade. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.